All right, so here's a look at this 6-pack walnut wooden hangers. Now these are going to be really nice for suits. You can use this for suit pants, but you could also use it for other scenarios too. So you can see here that we've got pretty much everything set up here. We've got a large heavy North Face jacket. I've got even all the way down to just a regular t-shirt for men, and this is going to fit nicely. We also have some other materials like leather, and I really like the way that it looks actually on the leather. And then I also have some other ones like this jean jacket right here. So this is going to be able to fit on pretty much anything. Again, this leather one right here, this one is actually an extra small, so a women's extra small, and this is a very small jacket, but it even fits on here, even though this is kind of meant for suits. So I like the fact that I'm able to use it for pretty much any of my clothes here in the closet, and it really just upgrades the look of your closet. You can see it looks great. Everything is nice and seamless versus over here we've got these old ugly plastic colorful hangers that look really bad, but it's time for us to, you know, upgrade that closet and make it look really nice. So we went with these ones. Now, if you wanted to, they also have a light color as well. So this one's going to be the dark walnut, and then they also have a light wood as well. So if this color is not your vibe, maybe this is just a little too dark for you, you can go for the lighter ones. And then here on the inside, it's going to have this rubber piece, which has ridges on it. So this is perfect for suit pants, which are kind of silky. I've had ones in the past that are made of wood right here, and they just slide and fall off, and then, you know, your pants get dirty and wrinkled. But this is really nice because everything stays in place. It locks in place. I've got a pair of pants right here, and you can see if I wiggle it around, these pants don't fall off. They might slide a little bit, but if you've ever put a pair of suit pants on a wooden hanger, you know that as soon as you move it, they just start sliding off. And then, of course, you've got your traditional usage, which is going to be something like this, a blazer, and this is obviously going to fit really nice. This one is going to be the 6-pack, so we ended up buying 2 6-packs for now, and then we're going to have to go through and fill up, you know, the rest of the closet here and put the rest of the clothes on there. But it's totally worth the upgrade. It's going to improve the look of the closet overall, even with these default wire hangers that the builder gave for our house. Just adding these on here make it look a lot more premium. So if you're looking to take the first step to making your closet look a lot nicer, I would definitely recommend picking these up.